been a hot minute since I've been inside a truck. Oh, Sometimes lightning does strike twice. I'm back in the truck with Jeff. Where are we going? What are we doing?
We got some raw materials we're taking from Wisconsin over to Michigan, and then we're gonna flip-flop back and be right back up here tomorrow. So we're gonna take you on a little quick trip. Gonna see some exciting things, maybe intentionally, potentially get stuck in traffic in Chicago, just to give you, the viewers, the sights.
Just got done making our way through Chicago. We didn't have to go that way, but I asked Jeff and he said we could just for the shots. So thank him for all those cool shots.
You're welcome.
Was that like a do not try this at home type scenario?
It all depends on the time of the day. You gotta know the routes you run, you have to know what the traffic's gonna be like, and you have to be aware of what your hours are gonna allow you. If your hours are gonna allow you to sit in that traffic, then by all means go through it. But if you don't have to, I don't recommend it. Some drivers choose to do that because they avoid the tolls. So that way they're able to save some money while they are willing to sacrifice the time.
That's okay, we all make sacrifices. I wore sandals this time and we stopped at a really dirty truck stop and that was fun going in the bathroom there. I also put on chapstick, got some unwanted attention. Don't do that.
When you do that though, you have to do it slow. To pretend like you have long hair and you just, something like that.
What you got there, buddy?
These are my new glasses. I don't like wearing glasses that were contacts, but my eyes are bothering me.
Show everyone how nice you look.
I hate these glasses. I was told I look older.
I think you look the opposite of old. Like, you look like a mathlete.
A what?
A mathlete.
Like wrap them up because I paid like, I don't know, $20. These were the real cheap ones. Just make me feel like an accountant or software engineer. There's nothing wrong with them.
Yeah. Well, you get what you pay for.